Hi guys, welcome to this video. So I've gone to Kings Heath Pet Centre and bought these goldfish yesterday. It's a bit of a new addition to the tank. I've got a massive 4-foot tank and I can fit more fish in there, but I've just not had the chance to update or get new fish. So these are some amazing fish that I saw and I had to get. The black fish, Comet Goldfish. So they're standard common goldfish, but they're actually black in colour. I've never seen them black in colour before. They've had the normal yellow and the gold and sometimes the shabunkims, which like multicoloured kind of sides, but these really stood out. They're not the black more goldfish because they have telescopic eyes. They're slightly different, the fantails, but these look really nice. They look like mini sharks to me in the tank, and they've got a nice underside as well. They've got a silver belly. And yeah, I thought I'll share it with you so you can see in unheated water you can have a nice array of fish, different colors, and not worry about getting a heated tank where you get obviously a wider choice. There's my normal yellow goldfish which I've had for a while. He's come from my old tank, and I had a gold one who sadly passed away. He was about 7 or 8 years I think I had him. But yeah, these guys, basically I've read up on them to see if they actually stay black. So there's a few suggestions online that they all common goldfish, Comet Goldfish, start off black, and then throughout their life cycle they change colors, so they become orange or yellow or whatever color. I'm hoping these ones don't change color and they stay black. And some of them mainly say that they're very rare if they come black, so I'm hoping these guys stay black and they stay rare, but they look really good. And yeah, I'm hoping that it'll be a good addition to the tank and bring a bit of colour to the fish tank with my other rosy bop I've got in there. I've got 4 rosy bop, 2 male, 2 female. I've got my yellow buttercup fish there, the yellow one that you can see. I've got a mixture of small tetras and weather loaches as well, but these guys are coming in nicely now, so they kind of seem friendly. They're not too hyper and they're fitting in nicely with other fish. And this is a 4-foot aquarium. But if you ever see these fish, I would say recommend get them if you've got the space in your tank. They look really nice and they're a bit different, and they're definitely rare because this first time I've gone there and I've seen them, and I picked up 2 just because I like how they swim around. They look like one of them's got a slightly bigger tail and fins, and another one's got smaller ones. But they're still new to the tank, so they're fairly just getting used to it. And what I suggest is when you bring them in, you put them in with the bag just to give it 15 minutes to adjust the temperature. But yeah, watch out for more videos to come and subscribe.